Ka Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association kalarai banyat syakmat ya ka non-cooperation movement tat haduk ba ka Sorkar Jylla kan pelai ka tulop jong ka badang sakut haduk mentang. Presiden ka MSSASA Aristotle Rembai haba kren hakilat patai kubor ulo ong bawat hapadeng ka jingbam yo tulop ka Sorkar kala hukum ikino hikai banya shim benta ha ka jing yalang yalap shim injek yau COVID-19. Ki program Sorkar bat ka Swach Vidhalya Puraskar.
So on 18 January 2022, we have filed an RTI in the office of the State Project Director, and yesterday we have received an RTI report regarding this 104 crores. So today we are here to share the details regarding this additional fund, which is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya, amounting rupees 104 crores. So as per the letters sent by the Secretary Education Government of Meghalaya, Sir Ambrose Marak, on 2nd November 2021 to the Director of Institutional Finance, Government of Meghalaya, here he mentioned he requests the Finance Department to release this additional fund, which is to be borne by the Government of Meghalaya as per capping norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan for payment of SSA teacher's salary, which is lying with the state government for a period of last 3 years. So here are the details. Okay, the lower primary teachers, there are 5,814 in numbers. So monthly, the state government pay us 19,044 rupees per teachers. Okay, so if we calculate this amount with the total number of teachers, annually it comes to around 132 crores 86 lakhs 61,792. Okay, and the amount which approved by the Project Approval Board, Government of India, it is rupees for UP. Okay, for UP there are 6,727 teachers. So the salary paid by the state government is 20,493 per month per teachers. So annually, if we calculate, it comes to around 165 crores 42 lakhs 76,932 rupees. So if we total both lower primary and upper primary, the fund needed for payment of SSA teachers annually, it comes to 298 crores 29 lakhs 38,724 rupees. So the financial support approved by the Project Approval Board, Government of India, for payment of SSA teachers salary is 266 crores 10 lakhs 266 crores 10 lakhs, and the additional amount which is to be borne by the state government annually, it comes to around 32 crores 19 lakhs 38,722. Okay, 32 crores 19 lakh 38,724 rupees. This is the additional amount which is to be borne by the government of Meghalaya as per capping norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan for payment of SSA teachers salary. So why there is a gap here? See, as per the financial norms of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, it is clearly mentioned that the central government will support the salary for payment of SSA teachers is rupees 15,000 per month per teachers for lower primary teachers. So the state government pay us 19,044 rupees, which means that the additional amount, that is 4,044 rupees, is to be borne by the state government from the state budget. And for upper primary, the government of India said that they will support a financial support for payment of SSA teacher salary 20,000 per month per teachers, whereas in our state of Meghalaya we are getting a salary at a rate of 20,493 rupees per month per teachers, which means that 493 rupees is to be borne by the state government. So if we tally all these two figures, it comes to around, annually it comes to around 32 crores 19 lakhs 38,724 rupees. Our Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, which he clearly mentioned that it is the duty of the state government to bond this additional amount, because before finalizing the proposal sent by the state government, they already have a PAB meeting. In that PAB meeting, they have discussed everything. So the state and the central government have agreed, and after they have agreed, okay, here it is mentioned that regarding the financial support, it will be as per the financial norms of the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan.